Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix and reset your Epson L3251 printer. So let's get started. What we'll need to do is turn off your printer and put one finger on Wi-Fi button and another finger on the turning on button, and basically hold simultaneously both fingers, and it should start flashing like this, and that means you're doing now a hard reset for your Epson printer. So you'll need to wait around 20 to 30 seconds until it stops to flash, and that's how you do a reset for your Epson L3251 printer. And that goes for all L models for the EcoTank that has Wi-Fi, and basically that's it. As you can see, our now light doesn't flash, and that means our printer is ready to print. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.